friends? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel, baby. Yeah, man. We're going to a bike meet. I'm about to go meet my homie Jimmy down there, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, we're out here cruising. I thought this would be a good spot to come in and start the video. I should have started in that last corner. I ripped it a lot harder than I ripped that corner, but we're over here by the airport. The small airport. This is more of like residential, low-key. I think there's a plane landing right now, actually. That's pretty badass. But yeah, man, we're cruising, going on a little adventure. But yeah, dude, we're back. I fixed the bars, kind of. I think they're a little bent still. It's like this side's like slightly down. I don't know if I bent the bars when so I've dropped it twice, obviously. I dropped it the second day I had it, third day I had it, some shit like that. I was down in Southfield and I like was heat deprived and pulled into a parking lot. Did the same thing. I wasn't even really like moving and I just dropped the fucking bike. So yeah, fatigue and rider fatigue is a thing. Be aware of it. But you know, you got to be fully ready to go when you're riding, especially when you're trying to do stupid shit like I was in the last video. So that's all I'm gonna say on that. It is what it is. It happened. The tank is dented. It's not a huge deal. I do want to get, I don't know, I think there's a new SC that came out and the color looks kind of dope. Maybe I'll try to get a tank that matches that, or I'll just grab a black one. I don't really know what the goal is yet, but that's what we got to do. We got to get bars in the tank. So yeah, the bike's got some stuff that needs to happen. I got it to the point where, I mean, I've been ripping now for like 10-15 miles. It feels fine, feels good enough. I haven't noticed anything with the bars. Visually it doesn't look too off to where it's bothering my OCD, but I can notice that it is slightly off. So yeah, you know, new routes, new roads. I don't think I've ever driven the bike this way. So yeah, you know, we started the video. Baby. And I'm just rambling now. Kind of sad that like I said in the last video, I haven't been doing anything. So this is good for me. It's good for my mental health. Work has been stressful the last few, I don't know, not the last few weeks, I'd say the last few days. This week's been rough. Last week was a little rough, but I had a nice little down period, which is pretty common in my job. I'll get, you know, 2 to 3 weeks where there's nothing going on, and then a week or two of just straight getting anally pounded. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. What are you gonna do about it? Kind of just gotta accept it. All these rich people, dude. That house would be pimping for snowboards, to be honest. I still feel like that's one of my required pieces when I buy a house, is that there's got to be like a hill on the property of some sort that I can set up a snowboard track in the winter with. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'm a very action sport motivated individual. It's what I try to work to have for myself, on top of also providing for my family and giving them what they want, right? You know, it's a fine balance. Like, could I have finished my car by now? Sure. Could I have another bike by now? Sure. Could I have done a lot to this bike? Sure. But that's selfish, and I have other people and other things that I need to do, right? That's a yearly conversation I gotta have with myself to remind myself that just because I'm not updating or upgrading all of my stuff doesn't mean that I'm not making progress, right? Like, I rebuilt my door and reframed the house this winter and did the closet, and finally covered up my furnace and all that shit. So, you know, we've made progress at that aspect. And I mean, it was very time consuming. I think it kind of drained me a little bit, to be honest, but it is what it is, you know. I took some time away from doing mechanical work in order to focus on my home and the things that are going to earn me money in the future, right? That's the goal. That's the goal with having a house, is that when it's time to sell, that you're able to sell. But I'm still in the phase where I have to output money into the house, and I don't want to live there any longer. So it's like, I can't keep putting money into my cars while also putting money into the house and investing in all of the things that need to be invested in so that we can sell the house, right? Like, it could be sold in its current state, but I don't think that's the goal, right? I want more money, to not be greedy about it, but you know, I've put a lot of hours and time into it, and so have my friends, and you know, I've made a lot of upgrades and changes that would have cost a lot of money if you paid a contractor to do it. So I valued my time and my mind and my effort that I've put into it. Oh dude, we're in the thing where it doesn't know what gear it's in. So that's my struggle right now with that, is I'm always conflicted on where I need to spend money, because I could finish my toys, but I could also finish my house and save money towards a new house and better my life, and then continue to finish my toys. But that's how your project car just never gets finished, right? It just stays a project car. So lots of stuff to consider. Yes, sir. Love me some roundabouts. There's a cop. Gotta slow down. I don't know what the speed limit is. I'm just not trying to deal with it. Not trying to deal with it. No sirree, Bob. Watch everybody. I guess that's 45. I would have been fine. This intersection on the bike is about to be scary, especially when it's busy like this. There's so much traffic. Go, 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 go. We're straight. We're killing it. Gotta blend in with traffic. Oh hell yeah. I think I just tried to shift into 7th. Hello? Is it Jimmy boy? I can't fucking hear shit. My headset sucks dick. Yeah, I'm getting on 96 from M5 right now. I think I'm like 5 minutes away. One second. After that, cut the fuck out. I'll text you when I get off the freeway. breaking all the rules. And I don't give a fuck, and I'm singing la 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 till everybody's singing. Oh, there's an accident. I should probably stop riding like a douche, huh? No, there's no cops, we're fine. They fucking honked at me, a bunch of pussies, bro. Like, does it hurt you? Does it hurt your feelings that I'm breaking the rules in traffic and you have to follow them? I bet it does, doesn't it? God damn, get me the fuck out of here. Gotta be close. Oh, it's a one. My bad. I didn't realize it was a one lane. I had to hit that gap though, you know, fuck. Yes, sir. Look at all the bikes pulling up. I just got here. Where you be? I'm in the back. Oh, I literally, Jesus Christ, what's up, brother? What's up, baby? I'll come squeeze. Oh. I'll go to front. Oh shit. That's fucking dope. What'd you get, bro? What'd you get?
M207.
Hell yeah.
And yeah, I got up here and it was standstill fucking traffic. So
Somebody's got the kush. Somebody's got the kush. Alright, baby. So, bike meet was a success. We are headed out of here. Having a good old time, baby. I didn't get many clips. Kind of just hung out with my homie, Jimmy. I think I'm going to turn right here. I really don't know. But yeah, I had a really good time hanging out. Yeah, you know, like we made some new friends. I talked to some strangers, which is a complete first for me. I normally don't do that. I'm normally pretty quiet. I don't talk to people, but I got some new gloves as well. They're lightweight, they're not crazy, but they'll be good for the summer. I'm gonna use them on my BMX as well, so multi-purpose. It's nice though. There's a lot of bikers out there. There's a lot of people around. A lot of homies to hang out with. Oh wait, I want to stay on the east side line. I have no idea where I'm going. it's so fucking beautiful out here. I can't hear my GPS. This is not good because I have no idea how to get home. Fuck. I think I want 696. Thank you, brother. Yelling at me, so I guess we're going the right way. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's probably going to be the end of the video here. I don't expect to talk much here, to be honest. I think I'm going to start another video. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you could, like, share, comment, subscribe. That stuff helps a lot. You know, we've been mainly focused on bike and car videos, and that's going to